From infotainment systems and connected services to vehicle control applications, Android Automotive is powering a growing range of in-vehicle experiences. Bringing these experiences to life requires more than hardware alone. It also requires a complete software stack that simplifies bringing Android to embedded devices, from initial development and hardware integration to remote updates and long-term device management. Let's see how Toradex and Kynetics make this possible with the Toradex i.MX95 platform and the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit. At the hardware level, the solution is built around the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 development kit and its 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen display. The SMARC i.MX95 system-on-module combines 6 ARM Cortex-A55 application cores with dedicated real-time and safety processors, advanced graphics, secure boot, and support for demanding automotive workloads. The SMARC development board exposes a wide range of automotive, multimedia, and connectivity interfaces. Together, they provide a flexible foundation for developing and evaluating Android automotive applications. Kynetics enhances this hardware with the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit, tailored for the Toradex SMARC development carrier board and optimized for automotive applications. With the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit, developers get everything needed to run Android Automotive on the Toradex platform. The toolkit is organized around 3 core components: a development-ready Android Automotive operating system, an embedded SDK that extends the standard Android SDK with direct access to hardware interfaces from familiar Android development environments, and Update Factory for over-the-air updates, device management, rollout control, and remote deployment automation. Let's take a closer look at each component. One of the key components of the toolkit is a development-ready Android Automotive operating system, optimized for the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 and its development carrier board. Unlike generic demo images, it is built for real development, covering everything from the bootloader and kernel to the Android Automotive framework and application layer. This provides a stable and consistent foundation, allowing developers to spend less time on system bring-up and more time building innovative applications. The operating system also includes an installer and preloaded testing applications, enabling quick validation of hardware interfaces immediately after setup. Alongside the operating system, the toolkit also includes the embedded SDK. It unlocks the full hardware potential of the Toradex SMARC i.MX95 platform, going beyond the standard Android SDK by providing direct access to interfaces such as I2C, CAN bus, display technologies, audio, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. With ready-made sample applications and testing tools, developers can immediately interact with these features, combining familiar Android development workflows with precise control of the underlying hardware. The toolkit is completed with secure over-the-air updates and device management through Update Factory. Developers can monitor device health, diagnose issues remotely, and deploy anything from individual applications to complete system images with ease. This helps ensure that every device in the field remains reliable, consistent, and up-to-date throughout its lifecycle. In partnership with Toradex, the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit helps developers accelerate development, reduce integration effort, and bring reliable automotive solutions to market faster. Contact us to learn more about the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit and its support for Embedded Android Automotive.